Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 BMW M3. In the realm of large sports sedans, the 2024 BMW M3 stands as a beacon of performance, luxury, and innovation, continuing the legacy of the iconic M3 lineup with its unmatched driving dynamics and cutting-edge technology. As the latest iteration of BMW's esteemed M series, the M3 epitomizes the brand's commitment to delivering a thrilling driving experience while providing exceptional comfort and sophistication. Under the hood, the 2024 BMW M3 boasts a potent twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, delivering an impressive 473 horsepower in the standard configuration. For those craving even more power, an available competition package boosts output to a staggering 503 horsepower, ensuring breathtaking acceleration and exhilarating performance on demand. Paired with a slick 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed automatic transmission, the M3 offers lightning-fast gear changes and precise power delivery, enabling drivers to unleash its full potential on both the road and the track. The M3's dynamic prowess is further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. BMW's M adaptive suspension and active M differential ensure exceptional agility and precise handling, allowing the M3 to corner with confidence and carve through corners with precision. The sedan's lightweight construction and aerodynamic design contribute to its nimble responsiveness and impressive stability at high speeds. High-performance brakes provide ample stopping power and control, even under intense driving conditions. Visually, the 2024 BMW M3 exudes a commanding presence, with its aggressive styling and distinctive M-series accents. Its exterior features a bold kidney grille, sculpted aerodynamic elements, and quad exhaust outlets, hinting at its performance-oriented character. The M3 rides on 19-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional exterior packages allow drivers to customize the M3's appearance, adding a touch of individuality. Inside the cabin, the M3 offers a luxurious and driver-focused environment, with premium materials and advanced technology. The interior boasts sports seats with merino leather upholstery, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, and carbon fiber trim accents. The M3 is equipped with BMW's latest infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, navigation, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 BMW M3. The sedan comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. Additionally, the M3 offers available features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 BMW M3 offers a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and technology in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the M3 promises an exhilarating driving experience that will satisfy enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.